Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Lucca M58. It came to the shop because, for a couple reasons. It hadn't come in for maintenance in a while, and the customer found out or noticed that, the steam pressure in the steam boiler was getting a little high. It was getting past 1.5, almost to 2 sometimes. And There was also some leakage into the drip tray, and that was constant. And it turned out that it was actually coming from the drainage on the group head. So that indicates that the group head needs service and probably will need some descaling. Sometimes scale can build up on the water level sensor in the steam boiler, and that can cause it to overfill and thus produce higher pressures because it's a temperature controlled boiler. So we descaled the boiler, and then I also did a whole group head overhaul. To manage that leak. As you can see here, the valves that came out of here, these are the old valves, are really worn down at the top, and you can see they're really crusty. They weren't performing good, making a good seal. Same issue here. Really hard, not making a good seal. This one is really indented, also worn down. And then also the cam itself, there's evidence of leaking coming from here, and these gaskets were hardened and cracked. So clean the group head, replaced the valves in here, cleaned it all out, scaled both boilers, and then I also adjusted the temperature. The temperature was actually set a little high, so even after descaling and cleaning the water level probe, the temperature was higher than the default setting, causing the pressure to go too high. Here we have steam, we have hot water, and I'm just going to demonstrate that the group head works as expected. This isn't a dialed in shot or anything. We haven't calibrated to the machine. So here we go. Looks like might be a little runny. It's a little fast. Actually, I don't think I put enough grounds in there. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop it right there. And there we have it. So the customers treated it dial in their shot as they would like it. As you can see, we have a perfectly functioning machine. Alright, thank you for watching.